Good morning, my dear students. Very happy morning to all. Welcome to our social science class, 8th standard history, lesson 1, advent of the Europeans. அன்பான மாணவர்களே, உங்களை இந்த சமூக அறிவியல் பாடத்திற்கு அன்போடு வரவேற்கிறேன். மேலும் இன்று வரலாற்றில் முதல் பாடமான ஐரோப்பியர்களின் வருகையை பற்றி நாம் அறிந்து கொள்ளவிருக்கிறோம். Dear students, first of all, map discussion, learning objectives. To know the European trade place in India. ஐரோப்பியர்களின் வர்த்தகம் மற்றும் வியாபாரம் செய்த இடங்களை பற்றி அறிந்து கொள்ளுதல். Dear students, this is the map of India under European trade centers. ஐரோப்பியர்களின் வர்த்தக மையங்களை பற்றி நாம் அறிந்து கொள்ளுதல். First of all, to understand the Portuguese settlement in India and then French settlement in India. Third one, Dutch settlement in India. Fourth one, the Danish settlement in India. And finally, the English settlement in India, where the foreigners came from Europe continent, where the interlink between India and Europe for the trade contact only. They established their factories and the capital, which was the important trade centers. First of all, Portuguese settlement. Dayu, Daman. Third one, Basin. Fourth one, Goa. Fifth one, Kannanur. Sixth one, Calicut. Seventh one, Cochin. These are the very important places, trade centers in India for the Portuguese settlement. Just student, next one, French settlement or French trade centers in India. First of all, Chandranagore, Balasore, Yenam. What are the places? Chandranagore, Balasore, Yenam. And then in Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karaikal and Mahi. These are the very important trade centers for French settlement. And then Dutch settlement. Chinsura is located in Bengal. Pulicat, which means Palaverkadu. Nagapattinam. These are very important places for the Dutch settlement. And then Danish settlement. The Danish settlement, first one is Tranquebar and Serampore. These are the very important places for the Danish settlement. And then the English settlement. The English traders were most famous in the world and also in India. They established their trading centers many. First of all, Agra, Ahmedabad, Bharuch, Surat, Salsette, Bombay, and then Hooghly, Calicut, which means Calcutta, Madras. These are the very important places for the English settlement. Dear students, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.